How to turn off authentication on iPhone. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you're tired of your iPhone constantly asking for Face ID or Touch ID every time you try to do something, whether it's locking your phone or buying an app or using Apple Pay, this video is for you. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open Settings application. Inside Settings, scroll below, then tap on Face ID and passcode. And just like that, go ahead and type in your password. Inside here, you'll see an option that says iPhone Unlock. You want to go ahead and simply toggle it off. This is what enables Face ID and Touch ID to unlock your phone. So once you disable it, from now on, your phone won't use biometrics. It will ask for your passcode instead every time you unlock your screen. And just like that, scroll further down in the same menu and then you'll see toggles for things like iTunes and App Store, Apple Pay and password autofill. If you want to stop Face ID or Touch ID from being used for these services too, turn off all those switches. This way, your iPhone won't ask for biometric authentication when making purchases, filling in safe password or paying with Apple Pay. And just like that, it's still in the same menu, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Require Passcode. You can change how often your phone asks for a password, from immediately to up to 4 hours. Choose what feels right for you. If you set it longer interval, your phone won't keep asking you to re-authenticate every few minutes. And that's it guys, you have officially turned off most forms of authentication on your iPhone. And that is how you can turn off authentication on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.